In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new documents in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct account or location where you want to create the document. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu. This is where most of your core navigation lives, and it's the starting point for finding the document tools. From that left side menu, click on Payments. After the Payments section opens, move to the top menu and select Documents and Contracts. This area is where you can create and manage documents used for agreements, approvals, and payment-related paperwork. So it's a good place to get familiar with if you regularly send forms or contracts to clients. Next, go to the top right-hand side of the screen and click the New button. A menu will appear, and from there, choose New Document. This opens the document editor, which is where you'll build and customize your file. Inside the editor, look at the top left menu. From here, you can begin shaping the document based on what you need. You can add an element, which is useful for inserting things like text blocks, headings, images, signatures, or other pieces of content that help structure the document clearly. You also have the option to add pages. This is especially helpful if your document is longer or needs to be divided into sections for better organization. Keeping content spread across pages can make it easier for recipients to read and understand. As you continue building, you can add document variables. These are useful for automatically pulling in details where needed, helping you save time and keep your documents consistent. You can also add recipients, which allows you to define who the document is intended for and who may need to review or sign it. Another option available is the content library. This is helpful when you want to reuse approved sections of content instead of creating everything from scratch each time. After that, you can configure payment settings if the document is connected to a payment flow or requires financial details. You'll also see a general settings area where you can adjust additional document options before finalizing everything. This is a good moment to double check that the document is set up the way you want. Before you save or send the document, click Preview. This step is important because it lets you see exactly how the document will appear to the recipient. It's the best way to catch formatting issues, missing content, or anything else that needs a quick adjustment before the document goes live. And that's how to add a new document in Gohighlevel.